My mind is like an internet browser. I have 19 tabs open, 3 of them are frozen, and I have no idea where that music is coming from. Hey guys, what's cooking today? Another video? Oh my God, that's 3 in the same week. What in the hell is happening over here at Creation Station with the Soap Chef? Woo! We're gonna do fast bath bomb making today because I still have a lot that I need to make today. But I forgot yesterday, there's one mold that I had forgot to demo on the channel yesterday, and then another one that we just printed off last night. Right now, what do we have printing? We have a regular puck mold printing because Hillary has requested a puck from us, so we are getting that done sooner rather than later. But we printed off a puck mold last night, and it is a nice little puck mold, and on the bottom of it, it's got a little heart. Look at there. And there's the top part of the puck. This is a big one. This is 3 inches, and that's about normal, especially like for shampoo bars. People like to have a nice big. Personally, I like the 2-inch myself, but most people go for the 3-inch. But that's a nice puck mold with the shell. So I'll be doing that momentarily over there. But then the other one that I forgot yesterday is our little tugboat. I forgot the tugboat. How could I possibly forget the tugboat? So it's 2 cups and a shell. It's a small one, you know what I mean? It's not huge because they won't float. If they're really, really big, they absolutely will not float. And so we tried to make this one too, as flat as we could. So I'm going to be demoing that in just a minute. But I'm going to put it on fast play, you guys, because, listen, I'm sure making bath bombs is boring for a lot of people. I enjoy the hell out of it. I love to make bath bombs, but to sit there and watch somebody making bath bombs is probably pretty boring. So I'm going to put that on warp speed, and I just wanted you guys to see the other couple of molds, one that I forgot to mention and one that we just printed. But better than that, how's the macaron, the batharone? How's that doing from yesterday when we did the first video in our series of Inspired By? And so I chose Soap and Clay's channel to recreate her batharones and her bubble frosting. How are we doing today? Normally, whenever you do any type of a bubble frosting that's got the baking soda and the cocoa betaine in there, those 2 things, when they start to react, it starts puffing and increasing in volume and expanding and making quite the freaking mess. I had none problems yesterday with this. And that's right directly on the frosting. How happy am I right now that this is like so hard? I could package this and ship this out today if I wanted to. This is fantastic. Oh, y'all though. Oh, this smell. This berry brulee, man alive. I'm using this in the tub tonight, you bet. So this is what the macaron, the batharone looks like day after. Really, really hard. Like pretty hard, you guys. I mean, if I pressed real hard, I could make a small indent, but this is fantastic. You guys go over to Soap and Clay's channel. I linked in yesterday's video when I did these in the series, I linked direct links to where you can find her batharones and her bubble frosting. I believe she calls this her solid bubble bath bar, but it's pipeable. Anyways, the links are not in today's video, yesterday's video. The links are down below in there. So just click on that, go over to Soap and Clay, make these. They are so freaking cute, you guys. I love, love, love these. Thank you, Mrs. Soap and Clay, for a wonderful product once again. All right, without further ado, you guys, let's go over there and get some fast bath bomb stuff going. Let's go.